If you want to learn about VA home loans, this is the right place, this is the right video. We're going to show you about the benefits and the requirements to be able to be approved for a VA loan. And of course, you need to be a vet. There's some requirements I'm going to be go through, but the benefits are great. And we have some exclusive benefits when you work with me and my lenders. So for example, for the month of March, VA Loan March Special, right now we have a reimbursed appraisal that is going to save you hundreds of dollars. So as a thank you for your service, my partner, who is a vet also, he's a Marine Corps vet, is doing this special for the month of March. So if this is March, give me a call as soon as possible so we can get you approved for the VA loan. And then once you find the home and you're ready to purchase and we do the appraisal, you're gonna be ready to go and we're gonna reimburse you the appraisal. This is great for March. Now there's other benefits I'm gonna show you, and also another exclusive benefit that this is on an ongoing basis, on a regular basis, is that there's no lender's fee that you have to pay. So if you add this up, the no lender's fee plus the reimbursed appraisal, you're already saving thousands of dollars in this VA loan. And this is a personal thank you for your service, because I know it's tough and it's hard to do that, and it's an important service that you provided for the country. Then benefit that there's for a VA loan for the generic, this is gonna be anywhere you go, even if you don't go with us, is that there's no down payment required, which is powerful. If you don't have a big chunk of change saved and you want an expensive home, especially here in San Diego, if you want a home in San Diego, you need a lot of cash to put on the down payment. But not in this case. If you're a VA, if you're a vet and you have this VA loan, you don't need enough down payment, which is going to save you even more thousands, even hundreds, or even tens of thousands of dollars. Then there's also no PMI, which is great. It's going to save you also a good amount of money on a monthly basis, on a yearly basis. If you add up the PMI along, as long as the loan lasts, it's going to save you a good amount of money as well. So just these two things are a huge benefit, but there's more benefits to it, more details. When you talk to us, we're gonna tell you more benefits. Now, with everything awesome, there's some requirements, right? It's not perfect. It's an awesome loan with tons of benefits, but you need some requirements that you can find on va.gov. Okay, one of the requirements is that you serve in the military, of course, but there's some more requirements that you can go. va.gov, housing assistance, home loans eligibility. And you can Google also eligibility requirements for VA home loan programs. You can go through this and read about the eligibility. So if there's a service requirements for veterans, if you're a veteran and service members on active duty, here's some of the benefits. When did you serve? It depends on when you served, what type of war did you serve, and all that, Korean War. So there's different benefits that you're gonna have to go through. And then there's also service requirements for National Guard and Reserve members here, any time period between August 2nd, 1990 and the present. This is where you can see the requirements. And then how do I apply for my COE? You can go here to apply, and also we can help you when you meet in person with us and my partner, Zach. And then what if I don't meet the minimum reservist requirements? There's some ways to do it if you don't meet the minimum service requirements. There's some ways and some exceptions that you may still be able to get a COE. If you were discharged for one of the reasons listed below, you must have been discharged for one of these reasons, either hardship or the convenience of the government, early out, reduction in force, certain medical conditions, or service-connected disability. And then what should I do if I receive another than honorable, bad conduct, or dishonorable discharge? There are 2 ways you can try to qualify. There's links and everything. This is a really important website that you need to go. Everything is in here, but if you need some personal assistance, you can contact me and my partner. And then there's also here a phone number that you can contact to the VA Regional Loan Center at 877-827-3702. And there's also here more information about the VA home loan guarantee benefits, what's a video about the cost of home ownership and everything. I highly recommend you to get this information. This is important for you to be able to qualify. And so you get also the education and the foundation that requires this. So now you're gonna also need some financial requirements, of course, like with every loan. But the credit score, you just need a credit score of 620, which is a good amount, and then also a stable income for 2 years. You need a stable income or a stable job for 2 years in a row, and we're gonna require you some pay stubs to show us some pay stubs and to prove the stable income to make sure that you qualify for the VA loan. Also, this is special for the VA loans. Also, the FHA has something like this also for condos, but the condos that you purchase, if you want to buy a condo, we need to make sure that the condo is VA approved. The condos must be VA approved. So be careful with this. If you want me to find you a condo, we need to be careful with this, and I'm gonna have to talk with the listing agent or the home seller and to make sure that a condo is VA approved, because there's different requirements for that. And then also the VA loan is only for primary residence. Okay, unfortunately you can use it for investment. And I know there's some things that you can do after you live for a while in a house for at least for a few years. Then maybe you can get a second VA loan, but there's some requirements there as well. So the VA loan is specifically just for primary residence. If you want to buy an investment property, unfortunately we can't use this loan to help you out. You will have to use either cash or another type of loan, or hard money loan, or private investing, all kinds of different options, but the VA loan is just for a primary residence. Now, if you want to buy a home and get approved for this, just contact me. The phone number is below, and then there's also links here on the description or above or below. You can come here to find your home, find your dream home. You can come here for sale, and you can do San Diego or anywhere that you want, and you can find homes right here, and also by zip code, by property type. So property type, if you want a house, you can click here on the house, and it's gonna be very nice. And then also price, you can select the price range like this, $700,000 to like $1 million, something like this. And you can go also by the zip code. If you're trying to buy something in La Jolla, for example, 92037, you type the zip code, and it's gonna take you to La Jolla, the beautiful homes in La Jolla. And look at this, there's actually houses in La Jolla for this much. Oh no, I didn't think so. I was surprised. So yeah, you just use this website, very easy to use. If you need assistance with the website or finding a home, just let me know. And then also, if you need to sell a home before buying something with a VA loan or anything that you need, I can also help you sell your San Diego home fast, safely, and for top dollar. We have networking with thousands of local agents and brokers. 5-day closings on fixer uppers if your place is a distressed property or needs repairs. Please let me know. I love those, and we have cash investors looking for fixer uppers every single day, and we can close in as little as 5 days or as long as you need to. And then we also use professional HD real photos, video, and 3D virtual tours for moving ready homes. If your home is a moving ready home, we can get a bidding war and have great marketing. And then also home concierge services. Once you move to another home, we do home concierge services, and we take care of the utility bills and all that. And now, what type of home are you selling? It depends on what of home. If your home is over $1.3 million, you can just click here. If it's below $1.3 million, you click here, and then if it's a fixer upper assist, click here, and there's gonna be more details and everything right here, where it's going to explain to you a little bit about how we work. So for example, here in Sell Your San Diego Fixer Upper in days for more money as is, here we represent cash buyers. You've probably seen a bunch of cash buyers ads, either contacting you, sending you postcards, maybe pay-per-click ads, maybe they're calling you and they're promising you really fast closings and all that stuff. Many of them, be careful, they're fake. They're not real cash buyers. They're just middlemen that are going to look for somebody who's a cash buyer. But now I am an agent and I represent a bunch of them. I said a lot of them, multiple cash buyers, just one point of contact, which is going to provide you a higher selling price and less work at the same time, and you can close in as little as 5 days because the competition is going to be higher. So people are going to have to bid more and pay more for your home if they really want it, because of the frenzy and the competition that they're going to have, instead of just you negotiating with one particular person or maybe two or three, with a lot of work, with a lot of contacts, a lot of following up, a lot of showings and all that stuff. You, in this case, if you hire me, I will do all the negotiating, all the contacting and all that, plus your price is gonna go up like crazy. So that's it. Let me know, just depending on what you wanna do, contact me or just click on the links on the description if you wanna buy or sell your home. I got you covered. Thank you very much. Have a great day.